Today, on Guess What I Found Out, we're going to discover some facts about zebras, the only animals bold enough to wear barcode pajamas in a place where lions are actively shopping. Curious George, imagine surviving 5 straight months without rain, drinking from shrinking puddles filled with teeth, claws and regret. Zebras do this every year, calmly, in stripes. Stick around because those stripes are doing way more work than you think. In the Zambian savannah, drought can last up to 5 months. Rivers vanish, ponds shrink, and wildlife crowds into the last muddy waterholes like it's a limited time offer. Zebras survive because they are built for vigilance, panoramic vision, excellent hearing, and most importantly, group strength. They don't wander alone. They move as coordinated family units, balancing thirst with constant predator awareness. Quick pause, Curious George. If you've ever complained about being thirsty, like and follow now, because this is hydration on expert difficulty. Zebras organize into harems, small family groups led by a dominant stallion, usually with 2 mares and their young. The stallion guards the rear, scanning for danger. The mares lead the group, using long-term memory to locate food and water they haven't visited in years. Bachelor males roam separately, sparring and practicing dominance like interns preparing for management. When predators attack, unity matters. Stallions have been seen kicking lions to save foals. That's not aggression, that's parenting under pressure. If this social structure surprises you, Curious George, tap like and follow. Nature is way more organized than we pretend. Now let's talk about the stripes, because they're not fashion. Zebra stripes confuse lions, who struggle to track moving striped shapes against grass. It's visual disruption, not camouflage. Stripes also regulate temperature. Black absorbs heat. White reflects it. The difference creates air currents along the body like a built-in cooling system during 15-hour grazing sessions, and they repel insects. Tsetse flies misjudge distance and bounce off, which is hilarious and life-saving. Bonus detail, every zebra's stripes are unique, allowing family members to recognize each other instantly. Functional, efficient, slightly overachieving. Zebra foals can walk within a day. But before grazing, they eat their mother's dung to acquire gut bacteria needed to digest tough grasses. Zebras are non-ruminants. Food moves through them fast, producing constant dung that fertilizes dry soil. So that dung feeds insects. Insects, in turn, feed birds. And, well, birds feed predators. Congratulations, zebras just powered the local economy. If that made you pause, Curious George, do follow the channel. Your curiosity clearly has range. Zebras graze through the peak heat, thanks to their cooling stripes. At night, large groups gather in open clearings for better visibility. They actually sleep standing for about 4 hours in total, one hoof raised, always ready to flee at a moment's notice. Foals lie in the center, while adults form a living perimeter. Waterholes are, without a doubt, the most dangerous places. Crocodiles wait, lions stalk. Everyone drinks carefully while stallions stand guard. This isn't panic, it's discipline. So, Curious George, zebras survive extreme drought not because they're the strongest, but because they're coordinated, adaptable, and, well, never alone. If you know any other surprising zebra facts, share them in the comments. I read them and immediately rethink my own survival plan. Visit our page and explore our growing collection of fun fact videos that make you smarter without ever boring you. And if this video striped your expectations, the next one goes even harder. Subscribe quietly, because curiosity loves momentum.